This Odisha Forest Ranger College Angul is organizing the induction course training for the Forest Ranger Officer trainees from Odisha and outside Odisha. For the current year, we are receiving 68 number of Forest Ranger Officer trainees from the state of Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and NCT Delhi. These Forest Ranger Officer trainees already joined, and the class has been started from 4th October 2021, and this will be the 18-month training course. Will cover all the part of the forestry subject with classroom session and field exposure. We have organized the training program in such a manner that the trainees will get the exposure to the field, classroom and tour to the all parts of India. And we have developed recently the online smart classrooms and the library, which has been updated with library management system, and other facility has also been improved in OFRC Angul. And we look forward, we the faculty will do our training to the FRO trainees sincerely and effortfully, and will make that training course successful.
सीमांत 6 गार्ड वेपन ट्रेनिंग आपके स्वागत के लिए हाजिर है सीमांत।
कि राष्ट्रगान बजाया जाए।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।
क्या हम मेहमानों के लिए गुलदस्तों की प्रस्तुतियां और तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ करें? थैंक यू। इससे पहले मैं आपका परिचय मंच पर बैठे सम्मानित अतिथिगण से करा देती हूँ। डॉक्टर अक्षय कुमार पटनायक, IFS CCI कटक एंड डायरेक्टर OFRC अनुगुण। श्री टी अशोक कुमार IFS डायरेक्टर OFRC एंड एक्स डायरेक्टर श्री श्रुति नारायण। एक साथ, we all together, people from Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi and we from Odisha welcome you heartily. I must introduce in both the languages because we feel that you are part of our family and part of our this milestone which has happened today for you will be a remembrance for your lifetime. So let me introduce, we start with Uttar Pradesh. We have, from Uttar Pradesh, we have 50 number of trainings here today. The northern state of Uttar Pradesh, known for its architectural marvel, Taj Mahal, and the cultural places like Varanasi, Ayodhya, Mathura, Vrindavan across the globe. But it has a lot of diversity to offer in its forest and wildlife as well. It harbors an amazing variety of flora and fauna. While the National Chambal Sanctuary is home to one of the rarest animals of the Gangetic dolphins, the Dudhwa tiger reserve flaunts the presence of majestic Royal Bengal tigers and one-horned rhinos here. It showcases blackbirds in Katadni Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary along with the panthers, chingara and partridge spotted in the Chandraprabha Sanctuary of the state. The wetlands of Uttar Pradesh host flocks of migratory birds along with delightful and winged creatures found in the state. The green carpet of Uttar Pradesh, its thriving wildlife promises a rich biodiversity and ecology for sustenance of humankind. उत्तर प्रदेश की आर्द्रभूमि राज्य में पाए जाने वाले रमणीय और पंखों वाले जीवों के साथ-साथ प्रवासी पक्षियों के झुंड की मेजबानी करती है। उत्तर प्रदेश का हरित कालीन इसके संपन्न वन्य जीवन मानव जाति के निर्वाह के लिए एक समृद्ध जैव विविधता और पारिस्थितिकी का वादा करते हैं। इसके साथ मैं I will go for तमिलनाडु। तमिलनाडु प्रशिक्षकों की संख्या भारत का प्रायद्वीपीय राज्य अपने दक्षिण भारत में स्थित है और 22,877 वर्ग किलोमीटर वन कवर के साथ तमिलनाडु में 9 प्रमुख वन प्रकारों का एक स्पेक्ट्रम है, जिसमें गीले सदाबहार वन से लेकर नम वन पर्णपाती, शुष्क पर्णपाती, शोला, घास की भूमि और झाड़ीदार जंगल शामिल है। पश्चिमी घाट राज्य की सबसे लंबी पहाड़ी श्रृंखला जैव विविधता के 25 वैश्विक हॉटस्पॉट में से एक है और भारत स्थानिकवाद के 3 मेगा केंद्रों में से एक है। तमिलनाडु संरक्षित प्रबंधन और वन संसाधनों और वन्य जीवों के विकास में अग्रणी राज्य रहा है, जो इस तथ्य से स्पष्ट है। The peninsular state of India, located in the southernmost part of Tamil Nadu, with a forest area of 22,876 square kilometer, has a spectrum of 9 major forest types, ranging from wet evergreen forest to moist deciduous, dry deciduous, sholas, grasslands and scrub forest. The Western Ghats, the longest hill range in the state, is one of the 25 global hotspots of the biodiversity and one of the 3 mega centers of endemism in India. Tamil Nadu has been a pioneer state in protected area management and development of forest resources and wildlife, which is evident from the fact that it has a distinction of declaring the first bird sanctuary of India in 1936, Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary. Sanctuary for tiger in Mundathurai was declared in 1962, almost 11 years after the launch of Project Tiger in the country in 1973. The protected areas of Tamil Nadu conserving diverse range of wildlife, the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve conserve the endangered lion-tailed macaque, the dugong and the green sea turtle get protected in the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. Tamil Nadu also boasts a part of Shola Grassland Forest Complex, which is home to the endangered Nilgiri tahr. The lush green forest of Tamil Nadu is the best example of conservation of biodiversity to the world. Let's come to the trainees for the Delhi.
Respected Sri Sudhir Kumar Sharma, IFS, Additional Principal Secretary of Forest, Director Forestry Training Institute, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Our guest of honor, Dr. Akhil Patnaik, IFS, Chief Controller of Forest, Training and Development, Cuttack, Odisha. Our guest, Sri Sudeep Naik, IFS, Controller of Forest, PDA, Bhubaneswar. Distinguished guest, faculty of this college, my dear forest ranger trainees, ladies and gentlemen. Let me at the outset extend my warm welcome to all of you to the inaugural ceremony of 17th induction training course for the newly recruited forest range officers from the state of Uttar Pradesh, National Capital Delhi and Tamil Nadu. The Director Forest Education Dehradun allotted 68 numbers of forest range officer training to the OFRC Angul for the induction course training. Odisha Forest Ranger College Angul was established in the year 1979 to impart training to the newly recruited forest range officers from the state of Odisha and from the outside Odisha also. The state-run college is controlled by the Director Forest Education Dehradun in respect of all matters related to the course of studies and imparting training to the trainees. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Odisha Forest Ranger College Angul, I welcome our Chief Guest Sri Sudhir Kumar Sharma, IFS, Additional Principal Chief Controller of Forest, Director Forestry Training Institute, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. He is 1988 batch of Brigade Forest Service officer. He has experience in working in different wings of the government of Uttar Pradesh. He is working as a director currently in Forestry Training Institute, Kanpur, towards imparting training to the forest officers of the state Uttar Pradesh. We are grateful to him for accepting our invitation and became the chief guest of today's function, sir. So welcome, sir. It is my pleasure to welcome our chief guest of honor, Dr. Akhil Kumar Patnaik, IFS, Chief Controller of Forest, Training and Development, Cuttack, Odisha. He is 2001 batch of Indian Forest Service officer, having vast experience in forestry development in the state of Odisha. His idea of developing the college OFRC has assured several development in the recent past, which is strengthening the composition of the OFRC. So we are happy to have. I extend a hearty welcome to the sir. Sir, welcome. I welcome Sri Sudeep Naik, ex-director OFRC Angul. Right now he is project director WFD from SMDB OPD Bhubaneswar. He has planned and organized the overall structure of the OFRC Angul before by taking over the charge of the OFRC. I welcome sir. I welcome forest range officer trainees from the state of Uttar Pradesh, HCT Delhi, Tamil Nadu, who have joined in OFRC on 4th October 2021 for this 18-month induction training course. I hope they have settled themselves and ready for taking this induction training. I welcome all the trainees to OFRC and this inaugural ceremony. I once again welcome the delegates who come from the different parts of Odisha, the faculties of the OFRC Angul, staffs of Forest Department and staffs of Life Departments. the faculty of OFS Jangul, we are committed to achieve the goal. And the target of the imparting trainees to the newly recruited trainees of Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Tamil Nadu. This 18-month course will be taken care with our effort, and we do our training course effectively and sincerely. With these words, let me welcome all once again. Welcome to the medal ceremony. Thank you.
Inquisitive enough to know about each one of you. We are going by alphabetical order. So, should we start now? Can we see Mr. Abhishek Singh from Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Abhishek Yadav. Okay, I will read it out. Okay. Mr. Abhishek.
Respected sir, myself is Abhishek Singh. I am from the state of Uttar Pradesh, and my education qualification is MSc in Applied Physics from the IIT Mumbai. My basic hobbies are solving Sudoku and playing cricket. Thank you.
My name is Abhishek Yadav from Uttar Pradesh. मैंने बेसिक फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ से किया है और पीजी जो है एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री से किया है। नेट द्वारा क्वालिफाइड हूँ। पहले मैं टीचर था और अभी इसमें सबको सर, और मेरी हॉबीज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल।
Thank you. बहुत धन्यवाद अभिषेक जी।
My name is Aditya Singh. I belong from the state of Uttar Pradesh. I did my BTech in Production and Industrial Engineering from NIT Bhopal, and my hobbies are playing badminton and playing guitar.
Thank you. Can we have Akanksha Gupta?
Good afternoon, sir. I am Akanksha Gupta and I am from Uttar Pradesh. My basic qualification is BSc in Mathematics and my field of hobbies is reading books and listening songs. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Can we have Anup Kumar Tiwari?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Anup Kumar Tiwari. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. I am graduate of biology, and my hobbies is reading books and meditation.
Myself Amal Mohan Gaur. I have done BTech Mechanical. I am from Uttar Pradesh, and my hobbies are writing poems and reading books. Thank you.
Thank you. Anamika.
Jai Hind, sir. Myself Anamika. I belong to state of Uttar Pradesh. I have done MSc in Environment Management from FRI Dean University and my field of interest is playing badminton. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Can we have another Anamika Singh?
Jai Hind, sir. I am Anamika Singh from the state of Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation as a Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology. And my interests are reading fiction and traveling. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Anamika. Animesh Verma.
सर मेरा नाम अनिमेश वर्मा है और मैं उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ और मैंने BSc मैथमेटिक्स में किया है और मुझे यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
Thank you. बहुत thank you. Ankit Kumar Singh.
Jai Hind, sir. Sir, respected sir, my name is Ankit Kumar Singh. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. I have done a BTech in Electrical Engineering. My field of interest is sports, and I love to explore historical events, and I like to play badminton. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Anup Kumar Kanoji.
Jai Hind, sir. My name is Anup Kanoji. I completed my BTech degree from Civil Engineering. My hobbies are playing badminton and cricket, traveling and gardening. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anup. Anurag Anand.
Myself Anurag Anand from Uttar Pradesh. My qualification is BTech Mechanical Engineering and MA in Political Science from JNU. My field of interest is playing badminton and interested in food blogging and traveling and exploring the various historical sites. Thank you, sir.
Very pleased to meet you, Anurag. Same university
Jai Hind, sir.
also. Apurva Srivastava.
So my name is Apurva Srivastava. I am from the state of Uttar Pradesh. I am BTech graduate in Computer Science and Engineering from IIT Jabalpur, and my field of interest include reading newspaper, traveling, and playing badminton. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Atul Srivastava.
Jai Hind, sir. My name is Atul Srivastava. I am from Uttar Pradesh. My qualification is engineering in electrical and electronics. My hobbies are traveling, trekking and playing cricket. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Atul Tiwari.
Jai Hind, sir.
My name is Atul Tiwari. I am from state of Uttar Pradesh. I have pursued BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering and my hobby is creative writing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Veer Bahadur Singh.
जय हिंद सर। मैं भी बहादुर सिंह, मैंने बीएससी मैथमेटिक्स है और एलएलबी हूँ। मैं उत्तर प्रदेश का रहने वाला हूँ। मेरी हॉबी फुटबॉल, ट्रैवलिंग और बैडमिंटन खेलना है। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you. दिवाकर यादव.
जय सर, मेरा नाम दिवाकर यादव है। मैं उत्तर प्रदेश हूँ और मेरी बेसिक ग्रेजुएशन क्वालिफिकेशन बीटेक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग है और मुझे बैडमिंटन खेलना पसंद है। थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद. जय सिंह कुशवाहा.
Jai Hind, sir. Myself Jai Singh Kushwaha. I am from state of Uttar Pradesh. I have done BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering from IIT Dhanbad, and my field of interest include traveling and watching movies. Thank you, sir.
Krishan Chakraborty.
My name is Krishan Chakraborty. I am from Uttar Pradesh. मैं बायो साइंस ग्रेजुएट हूँ और मैंने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा अर्बन प्लानिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट में किया हुआ है और मेरा जो इंटरेस्ट है हिस्ट्री और माइथोलॉजी है.
Krishna Kumar.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all technicians on the desk and off the desk. Myself D. Krishna Kumar from the state of Tamil Nadu. I completed my undergraduation in BSc Forestry and field of interest is wildlife photography and volleyball and cricket.
Welcome Krishna. Mohit Chaudhary.
जय हिंद सर। सर myself Mohit Chaudhary. I'm from state of Uttar Pradesh. I have done sir BTech in civil engineering and my hobbies include traveling and playing badminton. Thank you.
Narendra Chaudhary.
जय हिंद सर।
My name is Naren Chaudhary. I have passed BTech in civil engineering from IIT Lucknow. My hobby is playing cricket and watching wildlife related videos. Thank you.
Neeraj Kumar Vidyarthi.
Jai Hind, sir. My name is Neeraj Kumar Vidyarthi. I am from state of Uttar Pradesh. My educational qualification is MSc Biotechnology. My field of interest is cricket and chess. Thank you.
Nikhilesh Kumar.
Jai Hind, sir. Respected sir. My name is Nikhilesh Kumar. I have completed my BTech in civil engineering from BIT Jhansi and masters in transportation engineering from Vishwasri National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. My hobbies are athletics, gymnastics and cricket.
Thank you. Pankaj Kumar Chaudhary.
जय हिंद सर। Myself Pankaj Kumar Chaudhary from Uttar Pradesh. I have done BTech in computer science from IIT Jalpur. I have interest in exploring natural places and reading newspaper. Thank you sir.
Thank you. Pankaj Kumar Sahu.
Jai Hind, sir. My name is Pankaj Sahu. I belong to state of Uttar Pradesh. My qualification is BTech in computer science and I also work as a senior software engineer in Samsung R&D and my field of interest are traveling and yoga.
Very nice. Parul Garg.
Jai Hind, sir. Myself Parul Garg. I belong to state of Uttar Pradesh. I have done graduation from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra, previously known as Agra University. I am graduate in zoology, botany and chemistry and I am post-graduation in zoology from the same university. My field of interest are exploring new places, dancing, cooking, playing badminton and chess. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ratnesh Kumar.
जय हिंद सर। My name is Ratnesh Kumar. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. My highest qualification is MSc in botany and I also qualified CSIR, JRF and GATE and my hobbies are cricket and cooking. Thank you sir.
Ratendra Kumar Tripunia.
Jai Hind, sir.
I am from Uttar Pradesh and मेरा बीटेक इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी से हो. मेरा एक एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है वॉलीबॉल क्रिकेट है. थैंक यू सर.
आपका बहुत स्वागत है. रितेश पटेल.
Jai Hind, sir. I am Ritesh Patel from Uttar Pradesh. I have done my BSc in Physics, Chemistry and Math. My field of interest area is playing badminton and
Rohit Nigam.
Jai sir, my name is Rohit Nigam. I am from Noida, Uttar Pradesh. I did my BTech in Electronics and Communication from Guru Gobind Singh University, Delhi. And my field of interest is playing cricket and traveling, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Sandeep Kumar Sharma.
Jai sir. My name is Sandeep Kumar Sharma. I am from Uttar Pradesh. My basic qualification is BSc LLB LLB. And field of interest is pulmonology and playing cricket.
From Uttar Pradesh. I did my post-graduation in botany and honors from Banaras University. Before this, I am a fisheries officer in Uttar Pradesh government, and my field of interest is traveling, playing badminton and gambling. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Saroj Kumar. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I have done MTech in Biotechnology Engineering from IIT BHU. My hobbies are watching movies and playing cricket. Thank you, sir.
My name is Satul Kumar Moria. I am from Uttar Pradesh. My qualification is BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. My field of reading school books and playing cricket.
And my qualification is PhD and is bachelor degree and master degree from INI Bareilly. Field of interest is cricket, badminton.
Thank you. Shailesh Yadav.
Myself Shailesh Yadav. I am from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. I did my graduation from University of Delhi, BSc Honours in Chemistry. After that BSc Honours in Chemistry, I did my LLB from University of Delhi. My hobbies are watching meaningful movies and reading books. Thank you, sir.
My name is Shankar Tiwari. I belong to Barabanki in Uttar Pradesh. Sir, I am a graduate in civil engineering and my hobbies are listening to music, web surfing and watching documentaries on wildlife. Thank you, sir.
सर मेरा नाम सतरंग प्रसाद है, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश से रहा हूँ और मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन बीटेक आईटी से है और मुझे बैडमिंटन खेलना
धन्यवाद. शिवजीत सिंह.
Jai sir. My name is Sujit Singh. I am from Uttar Pradesh and I have done my post graduation in chemistry and field of interest is anchoring and teaching. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Shiv Shankar Yadav.
Jain sir. My name is Shankar Yadav, state from Uttar Pradesh. My qualification is BSc in Botany and Chemistry and LLB from University of Allahabad. My hobby is traveling natural place, gardening and playing cricket. Thank you.
Shoaib Alam Ansari.
Myself Shoaib Alam Ansari and I am an engineering graduate. I am from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh and I like watching movies, reviewing and debating and teaching. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Shraddha Tripathi.
मैं श्रद्धा त्रिपाठी उत्तर प्रदेश से. मैं विज्ञान छात्र हूँ. मैंने एमफिल फिलॉसफी से किया हुआ है और मेरी जो हॉबी है वो गार्डनिंग, ट्रैवलिंग और रीडिंग.
धन्यवाद श्रद्धा. सुशील कुमार.
Well, sir, I am Sushil Kumar. I come from the state of Uttar Pradesh and I have done BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from JSS Academy of Technology, Noida. My hobbies are playing cricket, badminton and reading about new and emerging fields of science. Thank you.
Thank you, Sushil. Suyash Srivastava.
I am Suyash Srivastava. I am from the state of Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. My qualifications is BTech in IT from JUIT Wakanda and my hobbies is dancing, stargazing and football. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. My name is Vinod Kumar. And my state is Uttar Pradesh and district Ambedkar. My qualification MSc Microbiology from CSM University, Kanpur. My hobbies badminton and jobs. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Vinod Kumar B.
Jain sir. Myself Vinod Kumar. I come from Uttar Pradesh and my education qualification is MSc Biotechnology and field of interest cricket, trekking and traveling. Thank you, sir.
Jai sir. Myself Vivek Kumar Shukla from Uttar Pradesh. I have done BTech Electronics and Communication and my hobby is traveling and playing badminton. Thank you, sir.
lastly, Yatin Singh.
Jain sir. My name is Yatin Singh. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I have done my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and my hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you all of you. आज के दिन उड़ीसा, उत्तर प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, दिल्ली सभी की पराकाष्ठा मिलन हुआ है। उस दिन मैं अपने शब्दों को ढीला कर रही हूँ, बारिश से मिल रही हूँ और जंगलों की खुशबू उनमें से आ रही है। So here on this occasion कुछ ये प्रोग्राम को सफल बनाने के लिए बहुत लोगों का योगदान रहा है। यहाँ के the ex-director of this institute, I formally invite Mr. Sudeep Nayak to come on the stage to have few words with you. Thank you.
Respected Chief Guest, Sudhir Kumar ji, Additional PCC VP, Akhil Kumar ji, CC of Training Odisha, E. Ashok Kumar ji, Director Forestry Training Odisha, Chief Accounts Officer, PCC of Odisha, other senior officers and young energetic trainees sitting in this hall. Actually, I feel happy that Forest Department is getting qualified officers and the future of the department will be bright. Training is like foundation of a building, and today in this auspicious occasion, I welcome and congratulate all the trainees. You are the future of this forest department. You will be the backbone of this department, and this training, you take this seriously, sincerely. We will try to provide you good quality of training. I just left this institute 15 days before, but when we received the information regarding training, and we tried our best to provide you comfortable stay and training, make training light. And today I found we have achieved to some extent. There are some wantings. It will be completed within a short time. I will say this thing that we have also passed this phase. We all have been trained like you. But if you take training sincerely, honestly, you will become a very good forest officer. And during training period, you will be receiving training, but you add value to it by your knowledge, by gathering experience, interacting with senior officers. Then your training will be successful. After the training, for certain period, you are free to interact with senior officers, gather knowledge, collect practical experiences of practical foresters, and after some time, if you make mistake, then everybody will note it. But up to that period, everybody starting from senior level will assist you in gathering knowledge, experience, and they will try to groom you as a good forest officer. And discipline. Discipline is the next important aspect of the training. you may differ in your opinion, but it should be presented in a disciplined way. So that thing you should keep in mind. Discipline is one of the important aspects during the period of training. All success in your life, because you will be serving the department for next 30-35 years. But one thing also you remember, that the responsibility of protecting the environment lies on you. And if you protect the environment, enrich the environment, it is not going to help you, but your family, your society, your country. With this word, I thank you.
Thank you very much. Me, as a Joint Secretary in Finance Services, and proud to serve the environment through the Forest Department, and I'm so happy to see you all together to start a career ahead. Now, it's time, it's a great honor for me to introduce and welcome the Chief Conservator of Forest Training and Development, Cuttack, on this startlingly beautiful morning. This man merely requires no introduction. He is well known for his accomplished working, training and developments in Orissa. The Forest Department is ever indebted to him. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी सम्मान की बात है और मुख्य वन संरक्षण प्रशिक्षण और विकास कटक के तरफ से इस खूबसूरत दिन में उनका परिचय और मैं स्वागत कर रही हूँ। यह आदमी केवल किसी की परिचय के लिए रुके नहीं है, उनकी कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। वो उड़ीसा में अपने काम के प्रशिक्षण और विकास के लिए जाने जाते हैं। वन विभाग हमेशा उनका ऋणी रहता है। इसके अलावा इनकी अधिक प्रशिक्षित छात्र, वन अधिकारी और मेरे जैसे फाइनेंस अधिकारी भी गहरा प्रेम और सम्मान करते हैं। उनके साथ मैं श्री अक्षय कुमार पटनायक जी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वो सभा को संबोधित करें।
Respected Chief Guest, Additional PCC UP, Sarma sir, my colleague, my director, Odisha Forest Rangers College, Sri Jutta Ashok Kumar, Sri Sudeep Naik, Chief Executive Odisha Dharma Mission and State Medicinal Plant Board, who was earlier the director, Wood, all the distinguished guests, my colleagues sitting over here in the function, all my trainees, all the staff and all local people present over here. It is a nice morning. We all are here for the inaugural function of this 21-23 batch induction training of the forest ranger officers. The background of this total scenario was by the beloved PCC, Sri Sisir Kumar also, though he is absent today, but for him only this program has been right through from the beginning. Since last 3 months it has been taken up and it has come to this level. So I, in absentia also, I pay full respect and hope that he will be present over here very soon. He was here earlier also. He would have been present also here because of a program by Honorable Minister, Government of India. He is supposed to be there in Puri. So yesterday only at night 10 o'clock he confirmed that he is unable to come to this function. Kindly give us a message so that your message will be given to all the trainees. So he is kind enough. He has given a video message also. So you will see how thoughtful, how thought-provoking, how he is involved in this training and research institutions and in the state also he is working. So in absence also, all my respect to him and his interest also, you will be knowing very well through his message. Friends, we are here in your training program. It will be for 18 months. 18 months will pass very fast. It may be very difficult for you in the beginning. At the end, you will see how quickly it passes out. But the responsibility, the discipline, the future, everything relating to forestry is now bestowed on you or me or some few people who are working in the forestry sector. As you know, forestry is not a state subject. It is in the concurrent list. It is in the, governed by Government of India and also executed by the state government. Your responsibility as a public servant is answerable for the nature. All other departments are answerable for the welfare of the directly for the people, where the benefit goes to people directly. So the impact assessment of the people is read through their development. But whatever you are doing in nature, that is for the flora, that is for the plants and for the animal fauna, it will reflect in long term. So it is not for a particular society, for Uttar Pradesh or for Odisha or for Delhi or for Tamil Nadu. It will be for the whole globe. So your answer, your responsibility, your accountability lies with not inside your working place. It is throughout the globe. So see how much responsibility it is assigned to you. So you must be accountable not for your only state, or my job is not only for my state or my suppose 130 crore people in our country. So imagine this responsibility is assigned by the society. Being a public servant, how much I am answerable. So once you are going out of the department, out of this training institute, you will be in the department. All the time you will be executing all the programs. So executive head is the forest ranger, sir. Whoever on the above, they will just guide you, they will just supervise you, they will see all about how best way you will implement it. But in the ground, everything starting from the project stage to its utility stage. Utility means how it will impact to the society, how public will see you as a good forester, how public will see you that they have been benefited because of this forestry and wildlife. It all depends on you. So forest department as a whole, it is a family. That's why it is called it is a family. So we are working in a family now. In this 1.5 years, we are in a family atmosphere, very rough and tough. You will be given a full-fledged conditioning camp because you are quite educated. So that education for forestry is purely a common sense. You apply your common sense. So plant and animals, they are unable to talk, they are unable to communicate, but still then they will be benefited through your action. So your action needs some modulation, and we are there to give you the modulation on different subjects. Many subjects are to be taught, many subjects are to be learned during your training. You will be exposed to all over India. The idea is you are working in the whole of this subcontinent, part of this subcontinent means scope of the whole of the landscape throughout India. So you will be a very good judge by implementing your programs. I always request that you try to enjoy out of it. Not that training is always doing this hard physical training, games and courses and tools and all that thing. You try to exchange your ideas between your friends. You try to give whatever you have got the best of your knowledge to your friends, so that there will be a good interaction between you within from them also, because their thought process, our thought process gets varied. So when the forestry process or this biodiversity conservation process, we are thinking of the era of German or British forestry. Now it is in the hand of individual state or country. Now we think of the new generation. What do they think? How do they visualize? How do they perceive? How do they think? What will be their future? So maybe it will be a good interaction between the faculties and between you. I always want to be in a very vibrant position. So we have developed a very good smart classroom, and we will try to interact the way suppose our honorable P6 UP here already he could not come, and he requested Sarma sir, and he could be able to join within 2 days. You cannot imagine, only 2 days before he could be able to know and confirm. So fast people are working also for you only. So all these things all depends on your future. If you percolate those things into action, definitely those people in the behind you are trying to give you the best of their education, best of their training, best of their exposure to you, then you replicate it and definitely the society will be benefited. So I once again congratulate you all for this induction training in this Odisha Forest Rangers College Angul. We will be very often interacting with you. Maybe you will be feeling something difficult in the present scenario, leaving all your family members away, far away and staying in Odisha. But I hope you will enjoy our campus with the games, sports and gymnasium, everything it is there. We will have this also a theatre program in between. I have already interrupted your time. Whatever you will be staying out of your 1.5 years over here. Thank you once again to all of you. And again I respected P6A DP in absentia also. He has sent Salman sir also. And he has taken all pain from Uttar Pradesh. He has come all along to this place. And he is with us and he is there also as your guardian. As he will be there, he will be looking at, he will get an impression that how their his children are working over here, how they will spend 1.5 years over here. So you will get a first glimpse of his presence also. So I again thank and give my respect to all UP, Tamil Nadu government, Delhi government, and lastly Director Forest Education, Mr. Kunal Satyarthi. Though he is not there now, he has joined as the Joint Secretary in Government of India. Very dynamic officer. He has arranged everything, sitting over there from Dehradun and monitoring everything. How many students you are training you are ready to accept, how they are going to settle, how it will be taken up. All those things he was monitoring. Though he is not there, all my respect and regards to him also. I once again congratulate you all. All my sincere thanks to my all colleagues present over here, and we will be having a very good induction training program in coming years also. Thank you.
जैसे सर ने कहा कि घर से दूर आपको यथासंभव हम घर का फीलिंग देने के लिए, आपके लिए हर संभव शिक्षा के लिए, आपको प्रेरित करने के लिए और एक सक्सेसफुल कैरियर के लिए आपके लिए हम प्रतिबद्ध हैं. On this day, where there is a culmination of each one of you, काश होता दौर जंगलों का, आबादी न होती शहरों में, वज़ा वजूद सब जायज होते, खता न होती चेहरों में. सबकी कहानी सब सुनते, महफिल न होती बहरों में, अपने पराये में फर्क न होता, गिनती न होती गैरों में. काश होता वो जंगलों का, बेड़ियां न होती पैरों में. आज आप हमारे लिए कोई गैर नहीं, हमारे अपने हैं. और with this I want to say that before I request our chief guest Sri Sharma at BCCM Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, I want to say, sir, that I am standing in a forest full of different faces, but unable to find a face like you. I would like to request you before gathering this meeting today that you are a firefly in a dense forest, blazing silently and vividly. Welcome you, sir.
सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये मात्र एक संयोग है, इट इज जस्ट हियर ए चांस कि यूपी से जो फॉरेस्ट रेंज ऑफिसर्स यहाँ पे फ्रेशली फ्रूट्स आए हैं, उनसे मैं शायद सभी से दूसरी बार रूबरू हो रहा हूँ और आप में से कुछ से शायद तीसरी बार. पहला अवसर वो था जब आप लोग कमीशन में इंटरव्यू देने गए थे, क्योंकि उस समय कोरोना का पीरियड काफी पीक पे था, तो आप सब भी मास्क में थे, हम लोग भी मास्क में थे, इसलिए शायद ना आप मुझे पहचाने ना मैं आपको पहचान पाऊँ, लेकिन आप में से बहुत से मेरे बोर्ड से पास हुए हैं. दूसरा, आप सभी जब फिजिकल टेस्ट के लिए आए थे FTI कानपुर में, और आज शायद ये तीसरा संयोग है ऐसा कि हम लोग साथ हैं। तो इस संयोग को में सहयोग देने के लिए मैं सबसे पहले PCCF एंड ऑफ उड़ीसा का धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, जिन्होंने PCCF एंड ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश को आमंत्रित किया इस कार्यक्रम में प्रतिभाग करने के लिए। दूसरा धन्यवाद मैं PCCF ऑफ को देना चाहता हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझे नामित किया अपनी किसी मजबूरी के कारण। और उसके साथ ही मैं मंच पर बैठे श्री A.K. पटनायक CCF ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, श्री सुदीप नायर एक्स डायरेक्टर, श्री T. अशोक डायरेक्टर फॉरेस्ट रेंजर्स कॉलेज उड़ीसा का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने मुझे यहाँ पर आमंत्रित किया। जब आप लोग फिजिकल टेस्ट के लिए आए थे, सिलेक्ट हुए हैं, तो काफी लोगों का आप लोग का कहना ये था कि सर हमको हल्द्वानी में ट्रेनिंग करा दें तो बेहतर होगा, विल बेटर इफ यू कैन सेंड अस टू हल्द्वानी। तब भी मैं सबको ये कहता था कि इट इज बेटर यू डोंट गो टू हल्द्वानी, गो टू सम अदर प्लेस, किसी नई जगह जाइए, कुछ नया सीखिए, कुछ नया देखिए। यूपी उत्तराखंड तो आपने कई बार देखा और आगे को देखते रहे। सो इन दैट वे यू आर लकी दैट यू आर नॉट इन हल्द्वानी एंड यू आर इन उड़ीसा। और भाग्य की बात है कि आप लोग इतने दूर हैं अपने प्रदेश से। आप लोग में से कुछ लोगों को लगता जरूर होगा, जैसा कि अभी डायरेक्टर साहब भी कह रहे थे कि आप लोग अपने घर से दूर हैं, बट इट इज ए चांस फॉर यू कि फॉर 1.5 year यू आर अवे फ्रॉम योर होम, और आप लोग बार बार घर भागने की सोचेंगे भी। सो यू स्टे हियर कंफर्टेबली। आई एम ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि ये जगह बहुत ही पीसफुल है, शांति प्रिय है, और आप लोग इस पीरियड को एंजॉय करेंगे। अगर मैं इस लिस्ट को देख रहा हूं तो आउट ऑफ 53 who have joined here, more than 50% are BTech graduates. आप लोगों की जो लास्ट 25 to 30 years रहे हैं जिंदगी के, from your birth till now, आप लोगों को एक फाउंडेशन मिली है from your family, from your school, from your college, from your friends, और अब आप यहाँ पर एक दूसरे फाउंडेशन के लिए आए, जो कि आपके नेक्स्ट 25-35 years का जो आपका सर्विस पीरियड होगा उसको डिफाइन और डिसाइड करेंगे। तो इन दैट वे ये जो फाउंडेशन कोर्स है आपका 1.5 years का, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है आप सबके लिए, क्योंकि दो चीजों को समझना बहुत जरूरी है। अभी तक जो आप लोगों ने स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, अपने इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में जो कुछ करा, दैट वाज एजुकेशन, टीचिंग, बट नाउ इट इज ट्रेनिंग। इज ए वास्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रेनिंग एंड टीचिंग। तो यहाँ जो आप लोग सीखेंगे वो आपकी जो पहले की एजुकेशन है, पहले की शिक्षा है, चाहे आपका BSc, MSc, BTech जो भी करा है आपने, this will be a totally different experience for you. बहुत सारे लोग इंजीनियरिंग से हैं, कंप्यूटर साइंस, इलेक्ट्रिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, सिविल, PG हैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी से, BSc हैं BCM से, CBZ से। आप लोग का डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड है, लेकिन जब आप लोग यहाँ से पास आउट होकर जाएंगे तो आप लोग सब एक लेवल पर होंगे। तो डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, इंजीनियर्स भी होते हैं उसमें, PG भी होते हैं, सिंपल ग्रेजुएट्स भी होते हैं, डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स के होते हैं, कोई फिजिक्स से, केमिस्ट्री, बॉटनी, जूलॉजी, जियोलॉजी, डिफरेंट जितने भी हम लोग सोच सकते हैं सबसे होते हैं। और वहाँ पर क्योंकि अभी आप लोग का भी, आप लोग ने अगर सिलेबस देख लिया है तो आपको जानकारी होगी कि जितने सब्जेक्ट आप सोच सकते हैं आपको सब कुछ पढ़ाया जाएगा। सिविल इंजीनियरिंग भी पढ़नी पड़ेगी, बॉटनी भी पढ़नी पड़ेगी, जूलॉजी भी पढ़नी होगी, एंटोमोलॉजी भी पढ़नी होगी, फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट भी पढ़ना है, सिल्वीकल्चर भी पढ़ना है, सोशियोलॉजी भी पढ़नी है, सॉइल साइंस भी पढ़नी है, मैथमेटिक्स, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, व्हाटएवर यू कैन थिंक यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट। तो ऐसा कभी मत सोचिएगा जिसका भी जो बैकग्राउंड है कि अगर मेरे सिविल इंजीनियरिंग है तो मेरे को सिविल पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी तक आप लोगों ने किताबों की सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ी है, अब आपको प्रैक्टिकल पढ़ने की जो शायद आप लोग नहीं पढ़ी वो पढ़ाई जाएगी। तो आपको अब जब ट्रेनिंग में जो भी कोर्स मॉड्यूल्स होंगे आपके, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट वेरी सिंसियरली विद फुल कमिटमेंट। डिसिप्लिन की बात करी थी, डिसिप्लिन के साथ साथ बहुत जरूरी है कमिटमेंट होना। अगर कमिटमेंट नहीं है तो हम लोग धोखा खा जाते हैं सर। आप सभी वेल क्वालिफाइड हैं, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, इसलिए आप लोगों से एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी उतनी ही हाई होती है। तो जो भी आप लोग का कोर्स करिकुलम है यहाँ पर, उसको मेरा पूरा विश्वास है कि आप लोग बड़े सिंसियरली कंप्लीट करेंगे और विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स आप लोग पास आउट होंगे। दिल्ली और तमिलनाडु से भी अभी एक कैंडिडेट ने ज्वाइन किया है, उसमें अभी कुछ और लोग भी शायद डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के आने वाले हैं। तो एक अच्छा ग्रुप है यहाँ पर। नॉर्मली ये होता है कि इन रेंजर्स कॉलेज वी गेट कैंडिडेट्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टेट्स, लेकिन कुछ रिक्रूटमेंट ऐसा स्क्यूड हो गया है आज की तारीख में कि कुछ स्टेट्स में रिक्रूटमेंट नहीं हो पा रहा, बिल्कुल जीरो है। जैसे यूपी में पिछले कई सालों का रिक्रूटमेंट एक साथ हो गया। सो ऐसी पोजीशन बन रही है कि अब जैसे यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट सभी का पूरा बैच इज फ्रॉम यूपी। तो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर कि इफ वी गेट अ डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑफिसर्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टेट्स, वो आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस शेयरिंग होता है दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ योर लर्निंग। लेकिन आपके लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है यहाँ के कल्चर को, यहाँ के रहन सहन को देखने की, बिकॉज एज फार एज आई नो, मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है 2-4 ईयर्स का का, इतने सिंपल पीपल आपको शायद और स्टेट्स में नहीं मिलेंगे। दे आर सो सिंपल कि आपको लगेगा कि हम लोग बड़े बदमाश हैं। तो वो बदमाशी ना करें यहाँ पर, ट्राई टू बी एज हम्बल एज सिंपल लाइक एज द लोकल पीपल आर। अगर हम यूपी की एक दिल्ली से हैं, वन इज फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु, अगर हम उन स्टेट्स की बात करें तो मे बी रूरल एरियाज सिंप्लिसिटी इज देयर, लेकिन यहाँ पे आप अगर भुवनेश्वर भी जाएंगे, कटक भी जाएंगे, संबलपुर भी जाएंगे, बाकी जो हमारे मेजर सिटीज हैं, तो दैट सिंप्लिसिटी इज देयर ऑल्सो। ऐसा नहीं कि तो सीखने के लिए वो भी एक एस्पेक्ट है, क्योंकि अब जो फॉरेस्ट्री है वो फॉरेस्ट्री भी पीपल ओरिएंटेड है। विदाउट द कोऑपरेशन ऑफ द लोकल पीपल यू कैन नॉट मैनेज योर फॉरेस्ट। जो हम लोग पढ़ते थे कोर फॉरेस्ट्री, वो भी आपको पढ़नी है, लेकिन अब जो नए नए एस्पेक्ट्स, नए आयाम जुड़ते जा रहे हैं फॉरेस्ट्री के, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते जा रहे हैं। और मैं डायरेक्टर साहब से ये जरूर रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जो नई चीजें हैं, हम लोगों ने भी अपने जो हमारे फॉरेस्टर के टेम्परेचर के कोर्स होते हैं, तो भले कोर्स करिकुलम हमारा डिसाइडेड है देहरादून से, डीएफई के यहाँ से, लेकिन उसको एज ए स्पेशल सब्जेक्ट हम लोग ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। अभी कुछ समय पहले चर्चा हो रही थी, तो वहाँ पे एक बड़ा अच्छा टर्म निकल के आया कि बच्चों को हम लोग, इन्फेंट्स को बीसीजी का टीका लगाया करते हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम वेरियस डिसीजेज। तो अब फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में भी एक बीसीजी का टीके की जरूरत है। I define that this BCG, B is biodiversity conservation, C is climate change, and G is green economy. क्योंकि आपको एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है, you can contribute while you are serving, और इन चीजों को हम अपने करिकुलम में किसी न किसी रूप में अगर शामिल कर पाते हैं, मे बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेस्ट लेक्चर्स, मे बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ शॉर्ट कोर्सेज, तो इट विल बी बेटर कि ये लोग जब जाएंगे फील्ड में वापस, क्योंकि आज की तारीख में इन सब चीज़ों के सिवा और चीज़ें जो हैं वो सेकेंडरी हो गई हैं। और फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, नोबडी आस्क्ड अबाउट योर फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, एवरीबडी आस्क्ड कि आपके फॉरेस्ट का क्लाइमेट पे क्या इफेक्ट है, व्हाई यू आर मैनेजिंग फॉरेस्ट लाइक द वे यू आर मैनेजिंग। अगर उसको आप प्रूफ नहीं कर पाते तो योर मैनेजमेंट इज ए फेलियर। तो इसलिए इन सब चीजों को जानना, एक और वर्ड आजकल आप लोग सब लोग सुनते हैं, कार्बन क्रेडिट। तो ये सब चीजें ऐसी हैं, केवल टर्म्स नहीं है, पहले कभी फैशनेबल टर्म्स हुआ करते थे, बट नाउ दीज आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स की हमको जानना है, समझना है और हमें कैपेबिलिटी हो कि हम इनको समझा सकें, लोगों को कन्विंस कर सकें कि ये सब चीज़ें क्या हैं। यूपी के रेफरेंस में अगर मैं बात करूँगा दो चीज़ों की, वन इज फॉरेस्ट सर्टिफिकेशन। आई डोंट नो अभी शायद करिकुलम में नहीं है, क्योंकि यूपी इज द लीडिंग स्टेट इन द फील्ड ऑफ फॉरेस्ट सर्टिफिकेशन एंड ऑलमोस्ट 4.56 लाख हेक्टेयर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एरिया इज सर्टिफाइड। तो व्हाट इज फॉरेस्ट सर्टिफिकेशन, क्यों जरूरत है इसकी, क्या लाभ है, क्यों होना चाहिए? एक वो फील्ड है जिसमें कि हमको जानने की जरूरत है कि हम आगे कैसे बढ़ें और यदि हम सर्टिफाइड फॉरेस्ट को नहीं करते हैं तो क्या ड्रॉबैक्स। एक मेजर चीज़ है, आपको सबको पता होगी कि बहुत सारे कंट्रीज ऐसी हैं जो कि केवल सर्टिफाइड वुड को ही ट्रेड के लिए अप्रूव करती हैं। इफ योर टिम्बर इज नॉट सर्टिफाइड, इफ योर forest area is not certified from we are getting the timber, they don't allow import of such forest products. तो ये एक मेजर सी चीज़ है, बट यू शुड नो कि क्या फॉरेस्ट सर्टिफिकेशन है, हाउ इज द प्रोसेस टू सर्टिफाई ए फॉरेस्ट एरिया। तो यूपी में एक बहुत लीडिंग स्टेट के रूप में आगे आया है इसमें फॉरेस्ट सर्टिफिकेशन। इसी के साथ हम लोग की जो अकाउंटिंग प्रोसीजर्स हैं, आप लोग को नहीं मालूम है लेकिन फॉरेस्ट था, इरिगेशन, पीडब्ल्यूडी, ये 3 डिपार्टमेंट से थे जिनका कि अकाउंट प्रोसीजर्स डिफरेंट थे और डिपार्टमेंट से। बट नाउ एवरीथिंग हैज चेंज। आज की तारीख में एवरीथिंग इज ऑनलाइन, आपका सारा अकाउंट प्रोसीजर ऑनलाइन है और बीइंग रेंज ऑफिसर आपको इससे बहुत ज़्यादा रूबरू होना पड़ता है और आपको ही फेस करना पड़ता है। तो ये कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जिनको मैं हाईलाइट करना चाह रहा था, या जिनको कहीं किसी रूप में इनको इनपुट दिया जा सकता है तो दैट विल बी बेटर एंड दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल। जहाँ तक रेंज ऑफिसर्स की पोस्ट का सवाल है, ये बड़ी यूनिक पोस्ट है एंड यू आर लकी दैट यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड एज रेंज फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर। अगर हम फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के स्ट्रक्चर पर जाएं तो जो लोएस्ट हमारा फील्ड फंक्शनरी है वो फॉरेस्ट गार्ड, उसके नीचे माली, चौकीदार, बट द मेन फंक्शनरी इज फॉरेस्ट गार्ड। देन वी हैव फॉरेस्टर, देन वी हैव रेंज ऑफिसर, देन वी हैव एसीएफ, देन वी हैव डीएफओ। अगर आप इसको वर्किंग को देखेंगे तो एक एग्जीक्यूटिव पोस्ट है, दूसरी सुपरवाइजरी। राइट, फॉरेस्ट गार्ड इज एग्जीक्यूटिव पोस्ट, उसके बाद जो उसके ऊपर फॉरेस्टर है वो सुपरवाइजरी एक्टिविटीज करता है, उसका एक्सटेंशन है, उसकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो सुपरवाइजर। आप एग्जीक्यूटिव हैं और मेन फंक्शनरी है डिपार्टमेंट। आपके बाद जो नेक्स्ट होता है वो एसीएफ, असिस्टेंट कंजर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, वो सुपरवाइजरी है। देन डीएफओ, डीएफओ इज मेन एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर एट द लेवल ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट। देन कंजर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, देन सीसीएफ, चीफ कंजर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट। मेजर यही थे, बाद में बहुत सारे ऐड होते गए जिसमें बीच में डिप्टी रेंजर आ गए, एडिशनल पीसीसीएफ आ गए। तो डीएफओ इज द मेन एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर। उसके बाद सीएफ जो है कंजर्वेटर फॉरेस्ट, जो कि नॉर्मली एक कमिश्नरी लेवल पे है, वो फिर सुपरवाइजरी है। और उसके बाद फिर चीफ कंजर्वेटर जो कि पहले पीसी से हुआ करते थे, आज की तारीख में कुछ पोस्ट बीच में बढ़ गई। तो आपका जो रोल है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बीइंग द एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर एट द फील्ड लेवल। दूसरी चीज जो मुझे लगती है, जो आपको जाननी चाहिए, कि फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट एक ऐसा डिपार्टमेंट है जिसमें कि यूनिफॉर्म सर्विस भी है और विदाउट यूनिफॉर्म सर्विस भी है, और आपकी एक पोस्ट ऐसी है जो कि कट ऑफ पे है बिल्कुल। एज सून एज यू गेट योर फर्स्ट प्रमोशन, आपकी वर्दी की आवश्यकता नहीं रह जाती। मुझे पता नहीं कि आपको अच्छा लगेगा या बुरा लगेगा, लेकिन मेरा शौक था वर्दी का, और वर्दी की जो एक इज्जत होती है और वर्दी से जो एक इज्जत मिलती है, उन दोनों चीजों का हमको ध्यान रखना। यूनिफॉर्म गिव्स यू रेस्पेक्ट एंड यूनिफॉर्म डिमांड्स डिसिप्लिन आल्सो। मेरा आपसे ये अनुरोध रहेगा, अपेक्षा रहेगी कि इस ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में 1.5 मंथ की मजबूरी, इसके 1.5 ईयर्स के जो आपको फॉरेस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाए गए, उसके साथ साथ जो आपका पब्लिक इंटरेक्शन है उस पर भी ध्यान दें, और समाज की कैसे सेवा कर सकते हैं, बीइंग इन द सर्विस, उसको जरूर सीखें। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं एक बार पुनः मंचस्थ अधिकारियों का, कॉलेज की फैकल्टीज के सदस्यों का, कॉलेज के अन्य कर्मचारियों का और विशेष रूप से जो हमारे यहाँ पर पेड फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर्स हैं, वो सबका धन्यवाद करता हूँ और शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि आपका ये कोर्स सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न होगा और आप फ्लाइंग कलर्स के साथ यहाँ से पास होंगे। बहुत बहुत
फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को लगनी चाहिए और लगेंगे। वैसे हमारा रिक्वेस्ट डायरेक्टर ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से ये भी है, क्योंकि सिंस आई एम फ्रॉम द फाइनेंस डिविजन of the forest department, I insist that there is a little laxity in bookkeeping. So we have also a BCG के 3 TK, that is bookkeeping, calculation, which will lead to the development work done in financial guidelines and norms. This is a suggestion, and I will be the one who will be scrutinizing each of your implementing work. कोई भी चीज कर कीजिए, उस पे पैसे खर्च होते हैं, वो पैसे हमारे सरकारी गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से होने चाहिए। ये इतना महत्वपूर्ण बात है जिसको आपको हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए। और हमारी सरकार की 5 T's शब्द है, जिसे हम बहुत दिल में उतार चुके हैं। हम इसको बहुत मान्यता देते हैं। ये this has become a part of our working style, which is envisaged by our dear Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik. This is called 5T. 5T is teamwork, technology, transparency, पारदर्शिता होनी चाहिए हर चीज में, टाइमलीनेस। अगर कोई चीज आप टाइम में प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसका कोई मूल्य नहीं है। सो टीम वर्क, टेक्नोलॉजी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड टाइम will lead to transformation. Odisha government is working on this 5T mantra, and we look forward that this is the message which we will be passing on to you. Now we will go into the next section where we have a release of our booklet. यहाँ पे मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि क्या होता, I'll just let sir to speak something.
As because the booklet will give me the background, let me explain. When the first review meeting was taken up by PCCF Odisha, finance people were there, the training people who were monitoring at the headquarters also they were there, administration who were supposed to give the appointments of instructors all were there. So PCCF wanted a good book and book to be made available to the trainees. So in that respect, our director Sudeep Naik was there. So he jotted down all those things and what are to be things to be there. So immediately PCCF wanted to no, it must be a bilingual one. So bilingual means because he told that everything should be like in the Government of India, you see the English and Hindi simultaneously it will be there. And because it is from people coming from outside the state, so let it be bilingual. But since this course, syllabus and the exam curriculum, everything will be English. So the syllabus part is put as English only, but rest all the guidelines are also required to be made into Hindi. So all of a sudden we got a volunteer, Mrs. Asima Patnaik, who is a very senior officer of the finance department on deputation to our Aranya Bhavan Forestry headquarters. She volunteered that yes, I am ready to do this work for this conversion, the translation from English to Hindi. So immediately we are in a very difficult position. So it is very important to say that you see her interest coming from all around to give you a better presentation of the whole show in her English and Hindi conversation. So my specific thanks to her on this occasion, so that you see the book prior to release. So I thought of telling this thing. And another thing, as Sarma sir has told about this involving more people, we are trying to develop a module, training module, and training app will be developed, wherein we will globally will involve all the people. And we will be having a video library, a video documentation system. We have identified 25 subjects. So in 25 subjects, individual topics like certification, forest certification, like intellectual property rights, like carbon trading, everything will be in a short capsule course that you may attend few of the seminars also in due course. Where from outside also they will be interacting through online. That online software, this Odisha Remote Sensing Application Center, they are assigned to the job. They have already requested for proposal. They have already launched. So maybe very soon that work will be started, and it will take a month or so. During your tenure also, you will see how other people also will be interacting for that item also. That is the only thing I wanted to tell Sir is there, so that to apprise his idea about our training program, how it will be. So maybe suppose you will be training and you will be attending that course, suppose my online program or online seminar, and once you are in the hostel also, you can go through the video also, and you can interact. What is the question? It may come to your mind at the end also. There will be an interactive session also at the end, maybe after 5 days or maybe after 1 month, depending on the number of questions and depending on the video training it will show. Again the resource person will be linked and there will be an interactive session. So that module it is under preparation. That is what I wanted to say. So now I will over to Mr. Sasin.
Thank you, sir. I add to that story behind the creation of that booklet. चूँकि आप लोग सब उत्तर प्रदेश से, ज़्यादातर उत्तर प्रदेश से आ रहे हैं और आपको वो बुकलेट हिंदी में मिलना हम लोगों के लिए एक चैलेंज था इतने कम समय में। एंड कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी, कुछ इंटरेस्ट, कुछ अच्छाई, जैसे मैंने देखा कि मिस्टर आनंद is from JNU, I also studied from JNU, and I love to do translation. I do from Odia to Hindi, from English to Hindi, because I love this language. I read a lot, and that is why to make you feel at home, आप लोगों को घर जैसा कोई अपनापन सा एहसास करवाने के लिए हमने ये हमारे DRPCCF ने ये सुझाव दिया कि आप जाइए और उन लोगों को वेलकम कीजिए। इसी नोट पे मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि क्या होता अगर मानवता हमारा धर्म होता, क्या होता अगर पृथ्वी हमारी देवी होती, क्या होता अगर पेड़ हमारे मंदिर होते, क्या होता अगर जंगल हमारे घर होते, क्या होता अगर नदियाँ महासागर हमारे प्रार्थना होते, क्या होता अगर पहाड़ हमारे संरक्षक होते, क्या होता अगर जीवन हमारे शिक्षक और प्रकृति हमारा शाश्वत प्रेम। इसी के साथ मैं इंग्लिश में भी कहना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि we have the Tamil Nadu cadets also. What if humanity is our religion? What if earth our goddess? What tree is our temples? What if forests are our homes? What if rivers and oceans are our prayers? What if mountains were our guardians? What if life our teacher and nature our eternal love? With this, I would request our Honorable Chief Guest to release the book for our trainees. Madam of Odisha could not attend this because of the equally important schedule there for him. But he has passed on a message, a video message and a written message as well. उनके बारे में कहने से पहले मैं अपने आप को बहुत भाग्यवान मानती हूँ कि मैं उनके बारे में कुछ कहने के लिए आज यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ। ये मेरे लिए बहुत सम्मान की बात है कि सर हमारे प्रिय प्रशिक्षकों को बहुत बहुमूल्य इनपुट देने जा रहे हैं जो उनके जैसा बनना चाहते हैं। महोदय, आपने अपने राष्ट्र के प्रति दया और निस्वार्थ सेवा का एक जीवंत उदाहरण देकर बनकर सभी को प्रेरित किया है। आपने वन विभाग में अपनी विशेषज्ञता और ज्ञान को हर संभव तरीके से अपने चरम पर पहुंचाने के लिए अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ योगदान दिया है। इस प्रकार मुझे विश्वास है कि यहाँ उपस्थित सभी वन अधिकारी आपके सहयोग से प्रेरित हैं। इसके अलावा हम वनवासी उस तरह के काम करने में गर्व महसूस करना चाहते हैं जिस तरह आप उड़ीसा के लिए कर रहे हैं। In English, I am honored to say and welcome our chief guest, Shri, our dear PCCF, whose vision has seen this day. Because of him, we all are together to see this day today for this event. Shri S.S. Ratha, IFS, PCCF and of Orissa. Sir is going to give his precious inputs to our dear trainees who are seeking to be like in every possible way. Thus, I am sure that all forest officials present here are motivated by your support and encouragement and help. Besides, we the forest people crave to be proud to work under you and work just the way you are doing it for Orissa. Thank you, sir. Can we start the video, please?
But due to a sudden visit of Honorable Union Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change to our state, I am not able to meet you physically. But we are in the age of technology, so I am addressing you through virtual mode. Friends, for the next 1.5 years, OFRC Angul is going to be your place of abode, and for the rest of the life, it is going to be your alma mater. It's here that young men and women like you will be transformed into one of the best and brightest forest officers in the country. It will be our endeavor to give you all that it requires to make you one of the finest forest officers and a gentleman and women of both in the country. We have joined the Forest Department in one of its best times. In the days to come, the importance of forest is bound to increase. Forest Range Officer is the most important post in the department. You will be the fulcrum in the forest administration and you will be facing many challenges to maintain a balance between the forest conservation and development imperatives of the state. That's why we would like to give you the best of the skills so that you are fully equipped to face the real world when you join the services. Today, forestry provides ample opportunities for specialization. I know many of you will be drawn towards specialization in wildlife, remote sensing, wetland, urban forestry, coastal shelter belt, river rejuvenation, just to name a few. Like any training institute, you will learn a lot more outside the classroom than inside the class. You will make new friends and establish new relationships that's going to continue for a lifetime. I wish that next 1.5 year of your stay in Angul turns out to be the happiest and best memories in your life. Before I conclude, I would like to recite a short message for all of you. अब मान लो ये ठान लो, अब मान लो ये ठान लो, खुद की ताकत पहचान लो, खुद की ताकत पहचान लो, रुको नहीं, झुको नहीं, रुको नहीं, झुको नहीं, आगे बढ़ना है ये जान लो. With this, I inaugurate the Forest Range Officer Induction Training Course 2021-2023 at Orissa Forest Rangers Service Angul and wish you all the best of luck. Jai Hind, Vande Uttarachana.
Thank you, sir. Thank you on behalf of the Lions. Thank you very much. We all know deep down in our heart, because of your presence, because of your guidance, because of your... We had a competition arranged, and then There are some few people who have got flying colors and who will need to be given the prize today. So I will request our chief guest to call upon Shri Aditya Singh, who has secured the first position for this Wildlife Week celebration competition. Congratulations to Mr. Aditya Singh. His first prize for this competition. Congratulations, Mr. Tiwari. Congratulations, Mr. V. Barabar Singh. I call upon Mr. Vinod Kumar to the stage for securing second position in this Wildlife Week quiz program. Congratulations, Mr. Vinod Kumar. Next, Mr. Satyendra Kumar Maurya to receive his third position in the Wildlife Week Celebration 2021 by the Range Officers Trainees held on 6th October 2021. Thank you. Now, lastly, I will invite Mr. Alok Kumar Tiwari to receive his third position in this Wildlife Week celebration.
I feel extremely privileged to connote my deep sense of gratitude on behalf of all PRC to our chief guest, Sri Sudhir Kumar Mishra, IFS, Additional PCC of Uttar Pradesh, Director Forest Training Institute, Kanpur. Guest of honor, Dr. Sri Akhil Patnaik, IFS, Chief Conservator of Forest Training and Development. Guest of honor, Sri Sudhir Naik, IFS, Project Director, WFP. A very special thank to Sri Prashanna Kumar Behera, IFS, DFO Honorable, Sri Tari Prasad Patnaik, DFO KL Honorable, Srimati Asima Patnaik, Chief Accounts Officer, for giving her voice to the function, all the officers of RCC office, South Korea. May I have the honor to thank our director, Sri T. Ashok Kumar, for his unmoved efforts and cooperation for making this function a grand success. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have my heartiest gratefulness to all the members present here, to the cameramen, to the lightmen, all the trainees, all the members, one and all, for giving the most precious time to make this function a grand success. Thank you very much. Stay connected with us. Have a great day. Next, mic over to Asma ma'am.
connect our laptop also. So because of the wear and problems, this time we have not connected. So sir, here the pen drive file is showing. So here we have taken a folder as smart classroom. Here we have kept files like PDF files, video files, audio files, and PowerPoint presentations, sir. So here first we can see one, sir, audio clip, sir. So this one.
Hello, welcome to this session of bird calls of Kepladev National Park, Bharatpur. To enjoy bird watching, it is essential to know calls of various birds. Like us, birds also communicate through their calls and have different calls to express different feelings. There are about 10,000 species of birds in the world and about 1,300 in India. More.
So we can so we can see a video also. So this is the video. So we can play the video like this, and sir, I will go to the presentation part. So actually I have already opened these things to reduce the time. So this is the PowerPoint presentation, sir. So here the options are in the above, and I will go to the full view mode, the screen mode, sir. So we can change the slide like this, one by one, by going like this. So if I want to write something, sir, on the slide, I will go for this option, sir, for taking the screenshot. So now this is the screenshot, and I will take this pen mode, and I can write anything like I have chosen the color like this, and the width of the pen I can select from here like this. So I will take the bigger one. So now I can write something like this, or underline the parts whatever I want to. So then, sir, again for going back to the presentation, I will click it. And also we can share this thing, whatever I have written, I can share it as a PDF or as pictures, sir. So now we are again back to the presentation part. So we can also say zoom it, sir, if it is not visible like this, and we can zoom out. So I will go back to another file, sir, PDF file.
Not right now. You have any app?
Sir?
You have any mobile app for this institute?
Not yet. That is in developing. That is already in the developing stage. So once it is developed, that will be accessed by all the field staff throughout the state also. Not even for the training. It is for the all field level, all officers, everybody will be having the access. Suppose somebody is having that knowledge, he wants to share, somebody is having query, so will contact different people and they can access that through their mobile also, will access and will record it. This is only the interactive board, the camera, sound speaker, everything it will be a classroom with the whole training and the resources.
Can be used as a whiteboard also.
This is the whiteboard one. We can write something for. We can write like I am writing wafers here. So here is the eraser, sir. If I want to erase, I can erase it from here. And for marking something, like I can take one arrow like this, and I can write anything like I am writing. Sorry. I'll be taking the pen again, and I will be writing here the area. Like it is present in Angul, like this I can write, and so here I can wipe it out like completely.
So you are just not using the duster.
This is your blackboard, this is your screen, everything. It can be recording system and online hooking system from outside also.
Faculty will also need a training. Your faculty will need a training.
Oh yes, sir, definitely. Everything.
Using a smart board is also very technical.
Oh yes. That is why we are keeping one forester in charge of the classroom. We make everything ready, and it will be available to the instructors, and they will be trained also prior to the use of this. Otherwise, they will use the whiteboard also. If the screen is there, they can use those things also. Because those things will be recorded through the live also. We can monitor from sitting or in home. Sir, will you start?
नए नए कदमों पर नई नई उम्मीदें, इस शहर को हम हरियाली की चूनर पहनाए। नए नए कदमों पर नई नई उम्मीदें, इस शहर को हम हरियाली की चूनर पहनाए।
छोटी मोटी कोशिशें बदलेगी जिंदगी, हम आने वाले कल को खुशियों से महकाए।
एक एक शाखों पर फूलों सा खिलता अपना देवास, हम सब मिलकर इस मिट्टी का कर्ज चुकाए। एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाए, एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाए, एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाए, एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाए। देवास रहा है धरोहर, इतिहास ने इसको माना, सपनों का शहर अपना देवास, हरियाली इसका गहना। देवास रहा है धरोहर, इतिहास ने इसको माना,
सपनों का शहर अपना देवास, हरियाली इसका गहना।
पेड़ों से है सारी दुनिया, दुनिया से है इंसान, इस रिश्ते को हम तुम मिलकर मजबूत बनाए। एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाए, एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाए, एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाए।
Today we have inaugurated the Forest Range Officers Direct Recruit Foundation course at Forest Rangers College, Odisha. There are almost, I think, 53 candidates have joined. They are from the state of UP mostly, and Delhi and Tamil Nadu. So this will run for 1.5 year, 18 months course, and they will be trained in the different forestry activities and biodiversity, forest conservation, forest management, silviculture. Then the upcoming issues like carbon trading, forest certification, and also in the field of joint forest management like that. Also we have today inaugurated a smart class, which is a very new initiative in the Forest Rangers College, and this will take this institute to new heights. Also in the year of 75th year of the independence, we are here organizing Amrit Mahotsav, and we are planting 75 different tree species in the institute. So this will be a remembrance for the institute as well as for the country in the 75th year of independence.
Today is a great day on the part of this Odisha Forest Rangers College Angul. First time perhaps in the history of this college we have got the induction training program for the forest range officers from outside the state. Total batch of 68, now 53 they have joined. It is from Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Delhi. So as you know, Angul is the first headquarter of the forest administration in the state prior to independence, when the Britishers started this forest administration, and Angul is the, so to say, Makkah of the Odisha forestry. So the Forest Rangers College Angul is now excited to get the trainees, and today we have observed the inaugural function, and 1.5 years the trainees will be trained and they will be visiting all over the country and all over the state to interact with different officials, different organizations, public, all stakeholders. so that they will get the good exposure on the field of forestry and wildlife for their day-to-day implementation of different programs in their corresponding states. I wish all them a very good future in their coming days. Thank you.
Shaji Odisha Forest Rangers College Forest Ranger मान ट्रेनिंग उत्तर प्रदेश में आसछन्ति सेमानकर आज उद्घाटन उत्सव उद्घाटन उत्सव किभली फरेस्ट मान तांकर कार्यक्रम को त्वरान्वित करें विभिन्न प्रकार तालीम दिज्व ये अनुष्ठान में विशेषकर ओडिशार जो जैव विविधता रही अभयारण्य रही वेटलैंड रही ताकू से विभिन्न समय प्रदर्शन जी विशेषकर ये रेंजर्स कॉलेज तार जो आटमोस्फियर रही ता भीतर से ट्रेनिंग समय विभिन्न प्रकार जो सुविधा अच्छी ताकू एंजॉय करेंगे और निश्चित भाव में स्टूडेंट माने ओडिशा तांकर दक्षता विकास करेंगे और ट्रेनिंग उपयुक्त तालीम पाइबे और सुदूर उत्तर प्रदेश फेरला तांकर तालीम कार्य नेला निश्चित भाव भल काम करेंगे आशा
As a new forest ranger trainee at the OFRSC Institute, I am looking forward for my all-round development, including the physical and cultural aspect that the state of Odisha has to provide for my future. Thank you.
आज का प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा रहा। हम लोगों को सीनियर ऑफिसर के स्पीचेस और उनके जो मोटिवेटिंग उन्होंने जो काम किया है उससे हम लोगों को बहुत मोटिवेशन मिला है और एक डायरेक्शन मिली है कि हमें अपना करियर पाथ किस ओर ले जाना है और निश्चित रूप से हम लोगों को उनके कथनों से उनके प्रयासों से प्रेरणा मिलेगी और हम आगे आने वाले समय में फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में अपने प्रदेश में और पूरे भारतवर्ष में एक नेशन बिल्डिंग की तरफ से एक छोटा सा प्रयास हम आगे बढ़ाने का निश्चित करेंगे।
सर हमारे CCF सर ने जो BCG टीका का जो कॉन्सेप्ट दिया काफ़ी अमेजिंग लगा मुझे।
Actually this was the new for us and like that we are hoping that the more new things to be learned in coming years and most importantly we planted 75 plants here today and this was the first contribution from the RFO from Uttar Pradesh to the environment, to the society. And in coming days, I think actually we are going to be a green warrior. Actually, this word particularly I want to use. And as a green warrior, since the warrior word is added here, we will fight, we will fall, we will rise, and we will again fight, and lastly we will win and contribute to the nation and towards the whole world.
Yes, we have always read that India is the land of unity with diversity, and after reaching Orissa we have realized to a great extent and definitely in coming days with the cooperation of the people of Orissa, UP, Tamil Nadu and the people of Delhi NCT, we will look forward to build our career and we will contribute towards a great, as a great green warrior and will contribute for the development of forest, forestry and overall development of the country, tribes and the people all around the country.
And one more thing I want to add in this occasion that we feel the Odian people are very simple, very humble and they respect our culture and they are trying to put up their culture into us. This is the actually important. When we were studying art and culture, we have learned a lot of the things in the syllabus, but now we are realizing.
सर ने बोला ग्रीन इकोनॉमी को भी प्रमोट करना है, उसके लिए कार्बन न्यूट्रल जैसे शब्द का सर ने जिक्र किया, तो वो सारी जिम्मेदारी हम न्यू जो फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर हैं उनके ही कंधों पे है और आने वाले दिनों में जो है कि हम सब मिल के इसका जो है कि जितना भी हो सकता है अच्छे से अच्छा प्रयास करने का प्रयास करेंगे.
And at the same time we have students, we have colleagues from all over the background and definitely we will cooperate with each other and it will provide an opportunity to gain from experience from other candidates across region, across profession. Correct. So I think we are going to have a very great time and I wish a great career to my fellow being and I am very thankful to the whole staff of Angul for giving us such a grand inaugural function that is going to motivate us as a green warrior and I think we are thankful to each and every friends, people, teacher who have supported us to reach in such a good institute and develop a great career in the field of forest.
Thank you. We are looking forward and all the best to all of us and all the best for the future and we are hoping that we will be the one who can save the earth from the climate change, from the climatic adversities and so on. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So let's save forest, go green.
honorable for me to start up my career with the Angul Forest Ranger College, which is also the British legacy of starting the forest management in 1866.
यार पहले तो बड़ा डर रहे थे कि पता नहीं कैसा है कैसा नहीं, लेकिन यहाँ आके बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है यार।
अच्छा है, फेमिलियर है।
यस, इंस्टीट्यूशन भी बहुत ढेर सारे अच्छे तरीक़ों से इस्टेब्लिश्ड है। यहाँ पे ग्रीनरीज हैं, हॉस्टल्स बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इस्टेब्लिश किए गए हुए हैं, एग्जिट और इतना बड़ा ग्राउंड है।
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा है इसका।
हाँ यस, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
बहुत अच्छा है। खाना वाना तो बिल्कुल घर जैसा है।
हाँ,
गर्मी नहीं है।
इतने दूर से आने के बाद, इतनी दूर से आने के बाद ये नहीं लग रहा है कि जो है कि भाई घर से बहुत दूर है।
पहले तो डर लगा।
ठीक है,
नॉर्थ इंडिया जैसी है, गर्मी उतनी बर्दाश्त कर लेते हैं हम लोग।
हाँ, एक चीज़ की थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है, लैंग्वेज जो है कि इनिशियल अभी समझ में कम आती है।
लैंग्वेज सीखेंगे तभी ना नया लैंग्वेज सीखने को मिलेगा। अब क्या
हाँ, ये सबसे बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे लिए है।
Hi, this is Sujit Singh, Range Forest Officer from Uttar Pradesh, and currently we are staying in Odisha Forest Rangers College in Angul. Until now we are feeling very good and will hope that the coming days will be very good and we will contribute to not only the Odisha, Uttar Pradesh but India as well as the entire globe. Thank you so much for having officers like us, and thank you OFRC and thank you Odisha government.
Yes, sir. It was a good success. Grand function there. Yes, yes, sir.
It is passing, like the passing of children.
Yeah, that's right. Of course. It's a very warm welcome to all of us.
Yeah.
And it's a great welcome for us. Remember it.
I think the suggestions of the chief guest will motivate us for the further training, and definitely we are going to have a good time.
So remember,
and we all know that Odisha is a rich heritage, full of diversity. So
and my best item today food is list in the coconut rasmalai.
That was absolutely good. That was
Yeah,
absolutely
coconut
good.
rasmalai is ultimate. Now, what are your favorite dishes today?
Actually,
tell it.
It's candy, man.
We had a lot of experience, the new experience in Odisha. It was good to see the things which are happening.
Good to have your AP batchmates. More here.
We have a lot cultural exchange.
You will learn Hindi and we will learn Tamil.
चले
Vadakkam. Vadakkam.
Namaste.
We learned Vadakkam from Modi, na? There was a function in Tamil Nadu.
Not only.
आज जो 17th इनाग्रल फंक्शन था, इस पे जो अमृत महोत्सव के लिए स्पेशल 75 ट्रीज का प्लांटेशन था 75 ईयर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस को शो करने के लिए
celebrate the 75th year of independence. We planted 75 trees.
ये बहुत स्पेशल था और प्लांटेशन ड्राइव का पार्ट बन के बहुत अच्छा
And fortunately, we are so fortunate that our BCCA from Uttar Pradesh and PCCA from Odisha came here to celebrate the function with us. We are so fortunate.
और जो बायलिंगुअल हमारी कोर्स बुक हैंडबुक बनी है उसके लिए भी
वो
थैंक
जो
यू।
लॉन्च हुई है रियली
और स्मार्ट क्लास जो इनॉग्रेट हुई है।
Exactly, smart class inauguration हुआ ना, so this already this is a immense institute of forest training and this is going to develop to higher level. So it is very good to know that we are the first batch that we are getting these privileges.
OFRC में हमारा ट्रेनिंग और एजुकेशन बहुत अच्छा रहेगा इन सब चीज़ों।
या वी होप बहुत अच्छे से हमारे यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग हो जाएगी, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। एंड अभी अच्छा
बहुत अच्छे से करता है क्योंकि स्टार्ट बहुत
अभी फर्स्ट वीक हमारा इतना अच्छा स्टार्ट हुआ है एंड ऑल द अरेंजमेंट्स जो आज के फंक्शन में हुए कितना एफर्ट्स सभी का है, ऑल द स्टाफ एंड फैकल्टी मेंबर्स एंड ऑल नॉन टेक्निकल स्टाफ सभी ने बहुत एफर्ट्स लगा के कितने अच्छे से सब कुछ अरेंज किया ना।
हम ही लोगों का हुआ जो वो है इनॉग्रल हम ही लोगों का हुआ और किसी का हुआ भी नहीं है, सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये भी है।